Hello everyone. So guys, how are you all? I hope that all will be doing great and fantastic in their life. So guys, once again welcome to my new video, and in this video I'm going to talk about why we should not rely on someone other only for our speaking practice, why we should not depend on others for English speaking practice. This is the main things on which I want to talk, because guys, I have seen, and you also must have seen that there are so many people who are learning English language, but most of the time they wait for someone with whom they could do their speaking practice, and they wait for that people. They just waste their time only for English speaking practice. So guys, in today's video I want to share my experience, and I hope that it will help you a lot, because guys, it is my experience, and it is real experience that I'm gonna share with all of you. So make sure that if you are watching this video at the very first time, so please do like, share and subscribe, so that you could get my all videos whenever I upload. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So, guys, why I have chosen this topic? Because I have seen so many people who are in this platform of learning language, but still they are depending on other people. They think that without any partner, without any environment, we cannot improve our speaking skill, we cannot learn English language. So I wanna tell those all people that if you are depending, if you are relying on others people, so that person can limit your progress, because you will wait for that person, and according to their time you will start practicing, right? So it will limit your progress, and if you do your practice by yourself, if you are depend on your practice, on self practice, it means you are developing your ability how to think, or how to speak English on the spot. Because guys, self reflection is very important, self practice is very important. Always, if we are depending on other people, and if we think that I will speak and I will improve my speaking skill if I talk with someone else in English language, and so I will improve. Not at all, it is not like that. You will have to talk with yourself in English. You will have to talk with anyone or with yourself. But guys, in this era people are busy in their in their own work. Okay, they don't have time for other people, so for whom you will wait? Okay, if you have partner, so it's very fantastic that yes, you have with whom you could do and you do your practice. But if you do not have, if you are living alone, if you are learning this language, if you don't have anyone in your contact list, so how will you do this? E- Even if you do not have anyone, you can learn, you can do your speaking practice. Do not depend on anyone, do not rely on anyone. Okay, and if you are depending on anyone, so trust me, that person and that time, that relying things limit your progress. You cannot progress further you wanna do. Okay, so just do practice by yourself, depend on yourself and believe in yourself. So this was my first uh, experience that I have realized, that I got to realize from my life. And guys, when I started learning this language, so that time I used to feel that people are learning English language and they are improving because of they speak with someone else, they do their practice of speaking with someone else, because of that they are improving. And only because of this reason I started talking with people. But what happened, whenever I used to talk with someone else in English language, so that time I was feeling very unconfident. I used to feel very inconsistent, because I was unable to focus on my words, I was unable to focus on our conversation. I always used to think that what if I make mistake, what they are actually wanna say, how can I just end up this, how can I just wrap up this conversation, because ahead of their words I don't have proper words. How can I continue this conversation? I don't know how to speak, how I don't know how to talk with anyone. So while talking, this kind of need, this kind of things I was creating, and because of that I was not able to make my consistent. Okay. So, guys, I just want to say that please do not depend on anyone for English speaking practice. It is a language, and only by doing self practice you can achieve mastery in any language. Not only in English, you can achieve mastery in any language. So, do your practice by yourself. And one more thing that people are doing their practice with someone else, and when we talk with someone else, so I think that we just increase our shyness because of making mistake when we talk with someone else. So that time we do not think about our conversation. We think that what if I make mistake, that people will laugh at me, that people will make fun of me if I make mistake while talking with that people. So while attending conversation, we just think about it, and only by thinking this kind of things, only by creating this kind of things, we increase our shyness, right? Can you believe on that? When we think about mistakes, when we think about anything while talking with someone else in English, we cannot, and we uh, do not focus on our words, we do not focus on our conversation, we focus on our mistake, that what if I make mistake, what the people will think about me. And because of thinking like this, we create these things very big issue. We create this kind of things like our shyness, and we increase these things whenever we talk with anyone. So if you do not want to increase your shyness, if you want to overcome this shyness nature, so you will have to practice with yourself. Only by practicing with yourself you can improve your uh, you can improve your confidence, right? So just start practicing with yourself, and because while practicing with yourself you will not focus on mistake, and you will not have any kind of shyness that I'm speaking in front of anyone. You will not speak in front of anyone, you will speak in front of anyone. So you will not have any kind of shyness because of making mistake or because of someone other things. So guys, just do practice with yourself. And if I talk about what is the benefit of self practice, so only one reason that I want to share: analyzed learning. Only by doing self practice, if you are able to know about yourself, if you are able to know about your personally thoughts, so what's wrong with this? You must do self practice, because while doing and by doing self practice, you are knowing yourself, and you are getting your weak points while talking with yourself. Whenever we talk with ourselves, we share all things, right? Have you ever done these things or not? Please let me know in the comment box. But I want to share my routine, that whenever I talk with myself, I talk everything I talk. I don't know what kind of things I share with myself, or whatever come into my mind, I just share. Just like friend, I make myself my friend, and I share those all things with me, right? So while talking with myself, I get to know myself better. I know my personal things. I know my personalized. I know my personality. So for knowing your personality, if you wanna learn your personality, so you will have to spend time with yourself. You will have to give time to yourself. You will have to talk to yourself. So instead of waiting for someone else to be available for English speaking practice, so you can do practice with yourself, and you will not have to you will not have to wait according to their time. You can size your speaking practice according to your time, right? So whenever you get free time, just engage in this English language. Try to be very flexible learner. Flexible learner means always whenever you get free time, so just think and speak, just speak whatever you have. You don't need to wait for topic, you don't need to wait for people, you don't need to wait for English environment. Whatever comes in your mind, just speak. and just be a flexible learner, so that your flexibility accelerate your learning process, right? So these things will help you a lot, because guys, whenever I used to think that I must talk with someone else for English speaking practice, and whenever I used to talk with anyone, so that time, while talking with that people, only one thing I used to think that, how can I wrap up this conversation, what I have to say for wrapping out of this conversation. I don't wanna talk again, because I was feeling very unconfident. I was feeling that, I don't have any words. I was feeling very low confidence, right? Because guys, whenever we talk with anyone in front of people, in front of camera, so that time we feel very hesitated, we feel very nervous, because of making mistake, because of signature, because of comparing, because of what they will think about me. There are so many things. So always we think about these all things, but we do not think about our self practice. And because of this and that, we do mistake. We wait for people for English speaking practice, and this is not the right way of practicing. And tell me one thing, if you are waiting for someone for English speaking practice, so you will talk according to your time, or you will talk according to that people's time? Obviously you are waiting for that people, so you will talk according to their time. So what is the value of your time? You are just waiting, you are just giving time, you are just wasting your time in this time when you wait for someone. So instead of waiting for someone, you can start your practice. You will get so many benefits from this. Okay, you will get so many benefits from this than talking with other people. So I hope that you got something from this video, and this was the motive of this video. And in the last of this video, I just want to say that please guys, do not rely on others only for English speaking practice, because it is a language, and language means self talking, self reflection. Okay, so do your self practice, so do your self talking in English, and after that just see your result, just increase your, just boost your ability to do work very flexibilities. Okay, and just work, and just boost yourself, just push yourself to do work flexibly. And yes, definitely you will be a very fluent in English speaker if doing practice every time, if you are giving time to yourself. So I just want to say, give time to yourself, practice with yourself, do not focus on other people, focus on yourself. And yes, guys. So I want to meet you on another video. So till then, take care. Have a nice day. Keep learning, keep focusing, keep trying. Bye bye.